welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm here at Lewisham for Lewisham Part 2. We have a Homebush service arriving on platform number 2, A48 is the set. They'll be stopping at Summer Hill, then following by Ashfield, Croydon, Burwood, Strathfield and Homebush.
Stopping all stations for Homebush.
Once again, Waratah A48 will be stopping at Summer Hill, then following by Ashfield, Croydon, Burwood, Strathfield and Homebush. Well, A48 is now departing platform number 2 for a Homebush service. It'll be stopping at Summer Hill, then followed by Ashfield, Croydon, Strathfield, Burwood, then Strathfield and Homebush.
At this platform.
Waratah set A48.
Behind the yellow line, please.
That was Waratah set A42. About to proceed through passing platform number 1 at Lewisham. We have a Waratah. Set is A64. That's bound for the City Circle via Town Hall. Next stop is Redfern. And a C set, passing platform number 2. C-Trail, front 4 cars. The rear 4 cars is C2.
C12.
We should have a Waratah passing on the up main. A36 is set. We have a V-set passing on the up main. V28 is the set. We have a Millennium train arriving on platform number 2 for a Homebush service. M11 is a front 4 cars. I'll tell you the rear 4 cars as soon as this train departs. Whilst I'm waiting for M11 and its partner to depart, this train will be stopping at Summer Hill, then followed by Ashfield, Croydon, Burwood, Strathfield and Homebush. M11 and friend now departing platform number 2 for a Homebush service. This train will be stopping at Summer Hill, then following by Ashfield, Croydon, Burwood, Strathfield and Homebush. M11 is the front 4 cars. The rear 4 cars is M34. And a Tangara passing. T59 is the rear 4 cars. Passing on the up main we have an Oscar. 4 cars only. H46 is set. We have a limited stops express service about to pass platform number 1 at Lewisham. It's a K set. K72, the front 4 cars. The rear 4 cars for this K set is K66. That was Waratah A21, heading towards Penrith. We should have a Waratah passing the up main. A51 is the set. we should have another Waratah arriving on platform number 1 for a City Circle via Town Hall service. It'll be stopping at Petersham, then following by Stanmore, Newtown, MacDonald Town, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum. A15 is the set. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, time now to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. I'll see you in the next video. Till next time, goodbye for now.